Little Zorawar is all groomed. He has just come from his grooming session in his favorite colorful bus that magically stops by every time he needs grooming. He doesn't need to stay away from his parents, and all this is possible thanks to Flying Fur, a startup that provides door-to-door grooming sessions to our furry friends. From basic cleanup sessions to aromatherapies, everything is taken care of in these buses by professional pet lovers.
It's really very convenient option. Earlier it used to be a task to take him to a grooming place. So now at an event called Pet Fair, I saw this van, Flying Fur, which they come to your doorstep and they groom your pet. So it's a very convenient thing, and I'm really happy with the services.
काफ़ी सारी चीज़ें हैं। सबसे पहली बात कि जो पानी का जो प्रेशर है उसको कम करो ताकि उसकी आवाज़ कम हो, और एकदम उसकी बॉडी के टच करके तब पानी स्टार्ट करो। उसको महसूस पहले करवा दो कि ये पानी ही है और कुछ नहीं है। तो जब वो पूरा भीग जाए उसके बाद उसके, क्योंकि डॉग के अगर बॉडी पे आप अगर शैम्पू लगाओगे तो एक तरीके से उसको मसाज मिल रही है, तो वो एन्जॉय करता है उस चीज़ को। शैम्पू पूरा हाथ से रफ़ करो, उसके बाद जिस तरीके से पहले आपने पानी डाला उसी तरीके से वो शैम्पू निकाला जाए, तो डॉग उससे इरिटेट नहीं होगा। क्योंकि डॉग इरिटेट वो तभी होगा जो कि वो कंफर्टेबल नहीं है। मतलब डॉग को ऐसा लगना ही नहीं चाहिए कि उसके साथ कुछ ज़बरदस्ती हो रहा है। उसको ऐसा लगना चाहिए कि हाँ मैं एकदम ठीक हूँ, बस आराम से खड़ा हूँ, मेरे साथ बस काम हो रहा है। डॉग की कुछ पहचान है, या तो देखो डॉग इरिटेट होता है उसके पैर पकड़ने से, कुछ डॉग होते हैं कान साफ करने पे इरिटेट होते हैं, कुछ डॉग होते हैं नाखून काटने पे इरिटेट होते हैं। तो वो नेचर जिस टाइम पे डॉग गाड़ी में नहाता है उसी टाइम पे उसका नेचर पता पड़ जाता है कि कहाँ पे क्या हो सकता है। तो बाकी देखो कुछ काट भी लेते हैं, लेकिन 100 में से 5% जो कि ऐसा होता है कि हाँ काट लेते हैं, नहीं तो 95% सक्सेस रहता है ये।
I had a pet, I had a Labrador, Argos, and we used to take him for grooming, and we had to wait a lot, and even he had a lot of anxiety because we used to leave him alone in the grooming because we were not allowed to enter those places. So that was not a very comfortable experience for the both of us. So at that time we thought of making something like Flying Fur, that where it gets comfortable for the pets as well as the pet parents, that the grooming can be done and in the comfort of their house. We have 4 trucks for Delhi, 1 for Noida, and 1 for Gurgaon. So currently 6 running. It has been a very good journey. It started as an idea with the love for pets, and then it feels really good when you see that the pets are comfortable and getting groomed in the comfort of their home, and it is comfortable for the people also because you don't have to take them outside. Pets have issues with traveling. A few of them though don't like car rides and all. Then the car also gets dirty. So it is very good that everyone is comfortable, everyone is getting a good service at their house. We have services ranging from a basic grooming, which includes the bathing, drying, nail clipping, cleaning of the ears and eyes, and then we tie a cute little ribbon at the end of the service. That for a small dog is somewhere, it is 1200 rupees, and for a large dog it is 1850 rupees. Then we also have aromatherapy services, wherein we do a 30-minute massage session for the dog using aromatherapy oils, and then the basic grooming is done to remove the oil and all. So for the safety of the pets, we have fully trained staff in the van. We have a driver who is also pet friendly. Then we have a head groomer and a helper to hold the dog and all, so that there is full care taken. We are using top notch products, whatever best available products in the market, which are paraben free, natural products. In a very short span, we have seen a good change in the pet parents. Pet parents are growing, and so is the pet industry.